The Dell Optiplex 3050 SFF is an impressive desktop computer, offering a powerful performance and a range of features that make it an excellent choice for both work and play. With its Intel quad-core i5 processor, you'll experience smooth multitasking and efficient computing. The 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM ensures your applications run seamlessly, providing a snappy and responsive system. One of the standout features is the 256 gigabytes SSD, which offers lightning-fast boot times and quick access to your files and programs. This desktop is not just about speed. It also boasts impressive connectivity options with Wi-Fi support, DisplayPort, and HDMI, allowing you to connect to various devices and displays effortlessly. The 4K support is a real treat, providing stunning visuals for your work or entertainment needs. The Dell Optiplex 3050 SFF is a versatile machine, perfect for professionals seeking a reliable workhorse and gamers looking for a powerful platform. The Windows 10 Pro operating system offers a familiar and user-friendly interface, making it easy to navigate and customize. This desktop computer is an excellent choice for those seeking a balance between performance and affordability. With its renewed condition, you can trust that it has been thoroughly inspected and refurbished, ensuring a like-new experience. The Dell Optiplex 3050 SFF is a reliable and powerful addition to any setup, offering a great blend of performance, features, and value.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.